Let us look at this reaction where CuO, copper oxide, it has got black color, it's a solid, on treatment with hydrochloric acid, dilute HCl, it gives, actually copper oxide, this is a black solid which dissolves in HCl, hydrochloric acid, and the solution will turn blue-green in color, and the product formed is CuCl2. Again, this is aqueous, it has got a blue-green color plus water. This is CuCl2, 2 chlorines, so we'll put a 2 here. Now it's balanced. CuO plus 2 HCl giving CuCl2 plus H2O. Now we can see that this is similar to a neutralization reaction where a base reacts with an acid to give a salt and water. Now this is a salt. So salt and water are produced. That is, for a neutralization reaction, base plus acid giving salt plus water. Here also similarly copper oxide. So this is a base. That is why we are getting salt and water as the product when it is treated with acid. So now we can come to the conclusion that this is a metal oxide. Copper is a metal and it's an oxide of copper. So metallic oxides or metal oxide is basic in nature. Most of the metallic oxides or metal oxides are basic in nature. They behave as bases. There are exceptions, but metallic oxides can be considered to be basic in nature.